This video is provided by MidDriveEbike.com. I'm going to show you how to remove the hand grip and put on a new one. Since we are not going to use it anymore, we can just cut it and remove it. Now, some of you are going to put on a new hand grip with a rubber one. Those one you can put on some hairspray into the hand grip and then just slide it in. However, make sure you do it at one shot, because when the hairspray is dry, it's really hard to turn or put it in any further. Since mine is using the screw, so it's easy. I just loosen it up and put it in. And then align this, and it's done. Ta-da!